Revelation chapter 10, verses 9 to 11.
So I went to the angels and asked him to give me the letter scroll. He said to me, "Take it and eat it. It will turn your stomach sour, but in your mouth it will be sweet as honey." So I took the letter scroll from the angel's hand and ate it. It tasted as sweet as honey in my mouth, but when I had eaten it, my stomach turned sour. Then I was told, You must prophesy again about many people, nations, languages, and kings.
John chapter 11, verses 25 to 26.
Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live even though they die. And however live by believing in me will never die. Do you believe this?
Galatians chapter 2, verses 20 to 21.
I have been crucified with Christ, and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. The life I now live in the body, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself for me. I do not sit aside from the grace of God, for if righteousness could be gained through the law, Christ died for nothing.
John chapter 8, verses 12, 31, and 32.
When Jesus spoke again to the people, he said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. To the Jews who had believed him, Jesus said, If you hold to my teaching, you are really my disciples. Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free.